With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. Here the question is most accepted theory of aging is. Okay, here we have to discuss about the most accepted theory of aging. Okay, options are first death of brain cells, second is non-functioning of alpha cells in pancreas, third is less RBC in blood, fourth is non-functioning of thymus gland. Okay, let's start with the first option, which is death of brain cells. Here it's an incorrect option, as the death of brain cells can also occur in the child, right? It also occur in the child. Okay, that's why it's an incorrect option, as death of brain cell is not an aging factor. Okay, next option here is non-functioning of alpha cells in pancreas. Okay, as we know that the non-functioning of alpha cells can also occur in the young peoples, right? Young peoples, as it causes the disease named as diabetes, which is related, which can occur in any age group, right? That's why it's also an incorrect option. Third is less RBC in blood, right? This option is also incorrect, as the less RBC in blood can also occur in, it is due to the hemoglobin, right? It is due to the hemoglobin, right? And it can be occur in any age group people, right? That's why it's also an incorrect option. Therefore, the correct answer is the fourth option, which is non-functioning of thymus gland. Yes, this option is correct here, as we know that this thymus gland controls the immune system, right? It controls the thymus gland. It's an endocrine gland which controls the immune system, right? And this thymus gland which will produce the T cell which fights with the viruses, bacteria, and germs, right? They are the WBCs, white blood cells, which fights with the infections, right? Which fight with the foreign cells, right? This is the widely accepted theory for aging, right? It is the widely accepted theory. Okay, theory. The immune system, as we know that the immune system is programmed as its decline over time, right? It decline over time, right? And it is the main cause of aging. Okay, it's also the main cause of aging. Now, this is the correct option here, as it's the most accepted theory of aging. It's also related with the age factor. Okay, age factor. The T cell gets decreases with the age, right? This T cells get decreases with the age. Okay, with increasing in the age. Okay, sorry, with increasing in the age. Therefore, this is the correct option here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.